What's up and good day everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we'll be unboxing something we have just received from GoPro. So you want to know what's inside the box? Check this video out.
Hi.
Yo, so
Hi guys.
welcome back again. That was Elia, and this one here, right here, come here. Alright, this is our youngest dinosaur. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so
Goodbye. Hi.
today we'll be unboxing this one. Actually, it's just a replacement of my previous GoPro Max. I returned it because it has a water damage. When we used it in the pool, the water was able to penetrate in the unit and then it damaged my GoPro. Thankfully, thanks to GoPro for replacing or for giving us a new item. So today we'll be unboxing it and we'll see what's inside the box.
Yo.
So guys, a quick info about my GoPro Max, why it was replaced. Well, that's what I've said. We were having a swimming, and then when I used my GoPro Max in the pool, I have noticed that my screen was not responding well, and then after a minute or two I was able to notice some green lines on the screen. So I really knew that there was wrong with my unit, so I automatically turned it off and opened the battery compartment and noticed that there was really water inside of it. And then it was Sunday, but I've tried checking on GoPro.com, but their customer support is only available on Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I think. So I was not able to contact them on that day. Then the following day, Monday, I tried contacting them, but it was really hard for me to be able to get through because of they had a limited agents and they can't accommodate lots of concerns. So I wasn't successful on my first day, but on the second day, Tuesday, I was able to get in touch with one of their agents, told them my concern, my experience, and it was very quick and not that hard, but it was quite easy to process the replacement. I was just they just instructed me what to do: take a photo, and then take a photo of the unit inside the battery, serial number. Well, their agent was very accommodating. I didn't have any hard time expressing my thoughts or my feelings with the unit, with the broken unit, and then they assisted me from the bottom until I was able to ship my damaged GoPro. Yes, I sent my damaged GoPro. I sent it via UPS. I sent it to Singapore. That was December 28th, and then so from December 28th, just received the replacement unit. Today is January 11. So as per the agent, it will used to have a 7 to 10 working days before I receive my replacement unit, and then well, it arrived today. They're very accurate with the number of days that I'll be receiving the replacement. So what are we waiting for? Let's open so that we'll be able to check if this is really a new GoPro Max or They just repair my unit and send it back to me. So let's go. So guys, here is the box. Here, well, it says GoPro, and then some of the details we have. So yeah, it's right here. It's built to Jordan, that's my name. So what are we waiting for? Let's open the box. So here, just open the box, and then we have this. And oh, this box right here, and this box is empty. So here you go. It says what? Max warranty. Yeah, max warranty replacement. Still sealed. And then Ellie, do you want to open the box? Come here. So Ellie right here will open the box for us. Just pull this one.
Okay.
Wait, let me just get it. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Pull this one out. Pull this down. Alright.
Hard. It's hard.
Oh, it's hard. Okay. Okay, you pull it.
Okay.
Go. Oh!
No.
It's really hard. So, okay.
You have to do that.
Yeah, it's really hard. It's hard?
Yes.
Okay, how about this one?
I think I can do it.
Okay, go.
I got it. Ow.
Be careful.
Oh.
Okay, go. Right. Alright. Whoa. So, it's now open. And see. It's now open. And then see right here. I think it's new. So well, I can say the packaging is very nice. The GoPro is really secure. And then let's get the unit. Oh yeah, it's a new one. So right here, there's still a plastic. Now I can see my face. And then we have the lens cup, right? I'm gonna remove the cup. And there's still a plastic. Wow. On the other side as well, plastic. Well, yep, it's really a new one. So kudos to GoPro for giving me a replacement. I really appreciate it, man. So there's nothing else here. Anyway, well, when I returned my GoPro, I only returned the unit alone. The battery, the other accessories, and the box or the case with it when I bought it was with me. So as per to GoPro, as per to them, I'll just return the unit alone, because they will replace a unit as well. So, and you won't be able to ship a GoPro with a battery because UPS or any courier will decline the shipment because I think they're allowed to carry battery. So thank you so much. This, I think this is just a bubble wrap. Okay, I think, yeah, it's just a bubble wrap to secure the GoPro inside. Just a bubble wrap. Oh,
The batteries.
there is another battery. So all in all, I have 3 batteries now. Wow, thanks GoPro. Wow, this is so surprising. I really thought that I'll only be receiving this unit, but you know, GoPro has given me another extra battery. Is very great. I now have 3 batteries all in all. Let me just get those 2 for you to see. Wait. So guys, my mistake. I think some of the couriers are accepting batteries for shipment, but when I returned my GoPro via UPS here in Cebu, they told me that having the battery in the GoPro will somehow decline my shipment to Singapore. So I was expecting that I'll be receiving only the unit alone, but I was really surprised that GoPro sent me another battery for you to see. I have here my, right here, I have here my 2 batteries. See? So first and second battery, and my 3rd battery from GoPro. This is very perfect. And as I would have said, I only returned the unit alone. The box or the casing is with me. So wow, it is very great. So guys, that's all for my video. So I'm really happy because I was able to have another free battery. You know how much this costs, man, but I just get it for free with a new unit. This is perfect. So guys, we'll be using this on my mountain bike vlogs or some of my other vlogs. So hopefully you enjoy my vlog. If you have questions, you can just comment down below. If you're experiencing a damaged GoPro and you're having questions, you can ask me. So guys, thank you for watching. God bless, keep safe, goodbye.
A few moments later.
Will it work or it won't work? Oh my god, it's already broken. It's a prank, there's no battery in it.
Why you're pranking them?
Alright, will it work?
But I have a bunch.
Let's see. So I'm just gonna turn it on. Ready?
Side down.
Oh, it's not working.
It's robot.
No, it's not.
You have to charge that. Charge. What? There's some more batteries? There's 5
Oh,
batteries. Joking. I get the unboxing. It's
let's
not
see.
working.
Oh yeah, it's here.
It's working.
It's turning
Name
on.
is GoPro. Oh.
GoPro.
Oh my gosh, the inside is something.
Yeah, my daughter is so
Already
noisy.
open it. Already open it.